No, I ate it all.
You ate all of it?
Over a while.
You only got it yesterday?
No, I shared some with other people. Alexa, pause. Anna, you're getting my fucking chocolate everywhere.
Oh, sorry.
It's crummy.
Sorry.
Say.
You gonna get ants.
You're
Sorry.
hoovering that afterwards. Just come here. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am joined with my sister Anna and we are going to be turning Anna into me. So I'm going to be doing her hair how I do my hair, even though I clearly don't put that much effort into it, and transforming her face with makeup to look like me. This is the current tripod situation. Oh well, that's a great comment. It's really not, it's really orange. What's your day-to-day beauty routine? Get up and glow.
If I'm not going out or seeing anyone, then I don't put any on. I just like wash my face and put oils on it, and sometimes put toner on before that.
Toner?
Sometimes I put toner on before moisturizer. If I'm going out day to day, I just put on foundation. I don't know what kind. It's the same type that Emma has.
Oh, True Match?
Yeah.
That's a good foundation.
With a knockoff beauty blender.
Oh, it's the Real Technique ones that's so hard.
Yeah.
You do know it's a baking sponge.
I don't know what that means.
Anna basically has picked at she had like a little lump on her face and being, I'm here slating you, but literally look how bad my bronzer is. And she's absolutely picked it off to the point it's a scalp, so I'm going to do my best.
I like it. I think it makes me look kind of hard.
Anna used to cry when I did her makeup, and now you always ask me to do it if you're going out.
Just 'cause I want to get famous.
Explain to them your like Coachella lifestyle complex at the moment. Tell them the whole handcraft story.
I've never really been like that interested in like having a super bougie lifestyle, but recently I've just had like, you know, like when you're like on your period or something and you just have like a craving for
like
certain food or something. Well, it's like just like food or something. At the moment I've just got a craving to be rich as fuck and not work for it. It's because there was this girl in my tutor group at school who I never really knew that well, but she seemed very nice. Now she goes out with Brooklyn Beckham. I still follow her on Instagram and she's just like living her
She
life.
seriously is. She's like a model like, and she's beautiful.
They're just like in LA all the time, just like swanning around and like eating strawberries.
Get a pack of strawberries in Aldi for 60p.
Yeah, but it's like not the same. All Brooklyn Beckham's like, oh really? But actually I don't, that's the thing. I don't really. I'm obsessed with like Leo Mandela. Oh! Like never bothered about
Sit in the
before.
middle.
But now I'm seeing him just like swanning around the world and I'm like, yeah, I wouldn't mind a bit of that myself. And then I saw him get into what I assume was his dad's car. His dad like went in for a hug and he just walked straight past and was like, open the boot.
Damn nice dog. We've got such different noses.
Yeah, I wish I had yours.
Oh god, I got that piggy nose! Oh, piggy schnoz. Oh god, some piggy schnoz.
Why is my hairline so
bad?
Look at it!
So at Big Beauty Day Out, I went to go and get my hair done at the Schwarzkopf stand. And the girl, I was like, oh, I have a really receding hairline, so I don't really know how I should go about the braids. And I showed her and she went, let's just curl it. She was really nice though, obviously. Yeah. I also lost my beauty blender. Yay! £16 down the drain, doll. We're gonna contour your nose because our noses are so different. I'm gonna try and make it
into a piggish nose.
into a piggish nose, doll. How would you say we are similar?
Like on a deeper level we're similar, like our values are quite similar. And like our sense of humour is similar-ish.
I think we've got really different sense of humour, but we get each other's.
On another level.
We both grow facial hair. I've made your nose look really wonky, look at it. You've got much better cheekbones than me.
And you have good ones.
Oh honey, oh no. You've got a slimmer face than me. Look at the size and width of my head.
No, my face is just like
If you were to start a YouTube channel, what would you do?
I think if I had a channel, it would be like a channel where I just like chop herbs really fine.
Chop
Be like herb ASMR.
Herb ASMR? Sure, I'm sure there's a gap in the market for that. Close your eye. Close your eye.
Sorry. I got the Slammer. Do you remember the Slammer? A TV program.
Oh my god, and it was like talent.
There's always like one guy that did like an upside down painting.
I used to get well sad thinking that they were going to be stuck in
Yeah.
there again. This is your one chance to get out. Make it count, Sharon. Anna's eyebrows are the eyebrows that like I try to do because hers are really straight.
That's really...
And mine are really arched. I've got Vanessa's eyebrows. She was trying to accuse me of stealing the eyebrow pencil I bought her the other day that's blonde.
Jungle Run.
What?
Prank Patrol.
Oh, do you remember I wrote a letter and then my mum just never posted it? I get roasted by my family because apparently I've got an accent when I say toilet. I don't have a Gloucestershire accent. Someone said to me the other day I sound like I'm from Surrey. Ow, my finger, look at that, Anna. That's removed. Skin was removed.
Like in that video yesterday, she's like, I do no suffering because...
Oh, can you
Stop moving your eyebrows when I'm trying to film me.
I my finger really bad and it's fucking disgusting and brown and audible.
OMG, literally got my eyebrows cute.
They got that weird tuft at the top.
What tuft, Anna? What tuft? I'm gonna do in a little
No,
one.
don't tuft at me.
No, don't. Anna, I'm telling you to me. Gotta have the baby hairs. Some girl commented, no offence, but that piece of hair really annoys me. I was like, not my fault I'm balding, hun. I was like, that's so rude. Someone commented, it's not her fault her hair's falling out.
Like
Ricky
Davidson, everyone's like,
Anna, try to fill in your eyebrows! It has
one is way higher than the other. I think my muscles are a lot more defined.
Anna,
than
that
this
is
one.
not what eyebrows.
That is to do with
I think
eyebrow
it's my
muscles.
And okay, someone said, what's the worst thing you've done on a night out?
When I smashed all those plates in the club. I was seeing my friend who lives in Holland. It was the first night and we had a few beers at Leo's house. I think it was like a cafe in the day and then like a club at night. I was on my own, like Winnie and Leo had gone off to talk to someone or do something. Something catches my eye and it was just this like glowing light in the corner and I was like, and it was this vending machine, but instead of like selling stuff it was just full of crockery and tableware, like it was full of... I thought you just went, that's alright. Full of like plates and bowls. I was like, and it was like, and I was like, I'm in Europe, Greece is in Europe, I know exactly what I have to do. So I just got in there, I was like reaching up, I managed to get a plate, I just had it in my hand. Winnie and Leo were talking and they just turned around and were like, oh no, and I was just like, and everyone was like, no, and I was just like,
that is so stupid and disrespectful.
I just literally thought it was, and then it was like the music stopped, the DJ just stopped playing. I was like, what? So then I was like, I have to do it again and I'm gonna do it again. So I just like went and got one again and we didn't know, had to like pull me out of the machine.
Cut a long story short, I got paralytic and my parents had to carry me home.
Is it this way?
You just put shit down and you just make a mess.
That's not a mess.
Yeah, but look at the mascara you got on the table.
Flossie, you would have done it. Where would you have put it?
I would have like held it.
Yeah, in what hand?
In the hand you're holding the palette in. Someone said, if you and Will broke up and him and Anna fell in love, would you allow it for the sake of them being happy?
I just wouldn't have.
Absolutely not.
That would be so
Absolutely
snaky on my part though.
Not. It would make me feel sick. Isn't that a disgusting question? I'm joking. Some tips on how to get a boyfriend.
Go to the club and get your tits out.
Who tans better on holiday?
It's not, it's like we tan the same, but Flossie will stay out all day to the point where she is burnt to a crisp and she will slather herself in oil like a lovely roast chicken. Flossie tans more, but I'd say we tan in the same way.
Yeah,
but
I
Flossie
just
pushes it.
So dedicated.
Pushes it until she has heat stroke every evening. And then she can't go out because she's like, oh, heat stroke. And then when we get back, everyone's like, how do you tan so well? And she's like, lots of water. It's like, no, you give yourself heat stroke every day.
I'm gonna have to draw your lips a bit bigger because my lips are a bit bigger than yours. Okay everyone, so that is the end of the video. Let us know what you think, if you think we look similar, because I think we do. I think we look more similar than we usually do. And in the viewfinder, a little bit.
A little bit.
We just do have different face shapes, like everything is different.
Yeah, literally I don't think we have the same hair.
But a similar vibe. Yeah, no, yeah.
So funny.
It's part of me. What can I say? Down diddly down. So that is the end of the video. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. I have all my social medias listed in the description box, as well as Anna's Instagram if you want to go over there and follow her. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me, and I will see you all very soon. And don't forget to turn on post notifications to make sure my videos come up in your subscription process. Okay, I love you all so much. Bye.